dhi kachiel koda ka tiji bende kaka jaod bura udonje yo machal nade mar jiwo weche mag thieth.
Erkwano Cleo apani nurses or medical field is a very highly skilled field. Manyaka what treat professionals what a field with a lot of care and a lot of professionalism. To mistake mane government otimo jo mane loso katiba. They devolve health in totality. But the idea was to devolve health mane be run by former local authorities. Mane dispensary kende or level 3, level 4, level 5. No could be devolved. Because a county kai, there's a lot of political interference and management by health. King Yokawune Gazette Wasomoge. Mombasa was a fire, their nurses get replace all nurses. And that's not how to manage because Kikilomoko the same problem, this problem still recur. Koronyaka we find Kage manage health professionally in the counties. Mokuongo, counties must do research. Kibe ni daktari mosomo medicine for 6 years pod tedo malaria pod pimo HIV gimonjo pim gi ja HTC counselor mantiere village wenkacha and anyamrerwa itimo daktari mosomo 6 years koro health devolution ma health nen mistake manokone but it also temore koro governors must step up per county wise or negotiate with their nurses. When we get back to work on terms, mad negotiated because the labor laws in Kenya or trade unions negotiate terms, make employment. Get nasni, thietho. Nasaka for example, I know and they were daktari mtima OIC Sedian section sa chelo kinyi. Ogo kona kapa ogo chopo they were town odu ogo ngatosa ajapiko dajali. And one surgeon. Odugo cheko timo surgery nyaka sawa auchiel poko nindo en ngata di achiel by the time chop dala sa par all sar achiel kendo ichake dware hospital surgery mono doctor to maybe en achiel Ndhiwa en achiel Magunga en achiel do achiel kendo mantiere kanye e mantiere kendo Ugis do achiel koro counties own capacity man understand how health works but I believe that the national government could have done better to the National Health Commission proposed by the doctors and medical practitioners. So give them that page, you solve their pride. Giwinjre dakteche. Ni wanaka county governments, my more fail. We need to we made more catch wage bill. My biggest my counties and medical. But any biggest wage bill that could look like my wage bill in the counties. King kata mana Kisumu. The same problem. King yo be the same problem. Kede Mombasa same problem. Kede Turkana where nurses go every day. The same problem. So nyakawange ni health ni. Kobe devolved. That county governments take it seriously. Mondokanga to tuo Migori. The problem doesn't come to Obe because Obe negotiate or vice versa. Nyakawange the system mar health more devolved no. Oti across the board equally. Because nyaponda lo corona. Dalo corona Nairobi niteka Kajiado lo Nairobi nitire Machakos nitire Kiambu lo Nairobi kono counties adege kamoro nigi poor health systems donge jire nyatho in that county because kagini poor health system kono nyaka counties up the game nyagi prove the government wrong they devolve health and they got it right than to prove them wrong no devolve it no makosa whereby every time Sadiki no kacha and they mine the new wall Mombasa kacha and they work unge daktari unge essentials hospital so apani manaka wachono nyaka ome healthcare practitioners the right channel how to work professionally in a medical environment.
Apopo ntie kamoro kae mabenda dane mono